आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, if z is equal to omega and omega square, where omega is non-real complex cube root of unity, are the two vertices of the equilateral triangle in the Argand plane, then third vertex may be represented by the. Okay, let us consider this one is the equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Okay, let us consider this one is the point A, this is point B, and this is C, and coordinate of the vertices is given is omega square, and let us consider the coordinate of the C is only x. X is a complex number. Then in an equilateral triangle, mod of AB is equal to mod of BC is equal to mod of CA. Okay, then AB can be written as omega minus omega square. Omega minus omega square. The value of BC can be written as x minus omega square. Mod is equal to CA can be written as x minus omega. Okay, when we take only these two equation, okay, then x minus omega is equal to omega minus omega square. Okay, then the value of the omega can be written as omega is equal to minus of 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Okay, put the value of omega is equal to, then we get x minus of 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 to the mod is equal to omega minus omega square. Okay, and this one is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus of I into root 3 by 2 to the mod is equal to, the value of omega is minus of 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 minus, and the value of omega square is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus of I into root 3 by 2. Solve the value of the mod, then we get x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square plus root 3 by 2 to the whole square is equal to, okay, and minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 is cancel out. Then we have mod of I into root 3 by 2 and plus root 3 by 2. This one is equal to only root 3. Okay, then this one is equal to x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square plus this one is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to mod of the root 3 is, this one is the square. Okay, then I square is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 inside the mod is equal to 1, then root 3 square is equal to only 3. X plus 1 by 2 to the whole square is equal to 3 minus 3 by 4, and this one is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, then x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square is equal to 9 by 4. When we solve, then we get x plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, when we take positive value, then x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, and when we take negative value, then x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, when we solve, then we get x is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This one is equal to 1, and x is equal to here minus 3 by 2. This one is equal to minus 2. Then we have two value of the x. Okay, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2, which satisfy the condition. And when we see the option of this question, then option z is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 2. These two are the condition. and option A and option C is the right answer of this question. A and C. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।